So the first time we came here, I was with some Masons again to donate wheelchairs. So nakita po natin kung kaano po karami ang pasyente, and I saw some volunteers giving out food. So one day I was thinking, ano mo pwedeng maibigay ko sa Chuchi? And luckily, I have po kasi marami akong stock ng bihon sa bahay. And I called some of my brothers, Brother Mason, sabi ko, why don't we just go to Chuchi and give some food sa mga patients na naghihintay? So kaya po nandito kami ngayon to share a little bit of our blessing to the patients po of Chuchi. We are from Pinaglabanan Masonic Lodge number 374. And actually po, kami po ay dumating this morning with my group. Please come here po. We'll be distributing the food po in a little while. So please enjoy the food that was prepared for you po. So thank you so much. God bless you.
Good lang.
Marami po tayong campaign na Mason also donated wheelchairs. Sabi na po, they're also a group of nakawin na pamilya. So they also prepare for that as volunteers in the help of our
per tray siguro tayo. Per tray.
Okay, so ang slide na, pwede kayo mag-message.
Sa Manila alone, mga 100 plus na lodges eh. So sabi ko, makuha lang natin 52 full year, every Friday may feeding na tayo. Nakita ko naman yung nagawa sa Tacloban and sa dad ko. So sabi ko, ito yung sulit para hindi rin spread too thinly, ma-focus rin sa iba para mas maging effective. Kaya encourage ko to hopefully ma-inspire pa na mas malaki.
I would like to let you watch this video. Heart disease at Danilo. Huwag kalimutan po paano po magpasalamat, Nay. Huwag kalimutan na.
Natatouch lang ako. Na siyempre, di ba, we have our own challenges. Pero sa nakikita mo sila, mas mahirap po. So meaning, we should all be grateful.